11 important skills you need to become successful.
Success is not all just about having an idea and then working as hard as you can. You need to be able to adapt to certain things and learn new things that will enable you to excel in the long run. I could list many more than 11, but I think that these 11 skills are the most fundamental skills you need to become successful. 1. Negotiation. So negotiation is one skill that would probably be seen as something applying more to the entrepreneurs and business people rather than a general skill for success. What some don't realize is that it's much more than that. Negotiation is involved in almost everything we do. Look at it this way. If you're making a deal with someone, it doesn't have to be about buying or selling anything, just a deal in general. Then when you take that deal and walk away, are you left thinking that you could have gotten more out of it, and that the other person perhaps got the better end of the deal? If you had good negotiation skills, then perhaps you could have come away better off. And it may only be a small thing we're talking about here. But when you put all these things together, it really does add up. Like I said, it doesn't have to do with money. It can be to do with friendships, relationships, experiences, etc. When someone has something to offer that you're interested in, then negotiation can make the difference between getting it or not getting it. 2. Long-term vision. The problem with becoming successful is that far too many people can't see beyond the present time. And if that present time includes hard work or pain, then their natural reaction is to quit because they can't quite see beyond the pain. They don't have that long-term vision that sums up all the reasons why the hard work they're putting in now is nothing compared to the possibility of the long-term vision that they have becoming a reality. Our imagination has to take you beyond the pain, beyond the trouble, to the next level. Keep seeing, keep pressing, keep pushing. One day it's going to be your day. Eric Thomas. 3. Resilient. Resiliency is always the key to being able to master a particular craft, even if you're talented at what you do. You will not start at the top. You will not be the best right from the beginning. It will take a lot of time and patience. And not only that, but the likelihood is that you will fail many times along the way. There are many important skills that successful people have that enable them to become the best at what they do. Some people may find that a few of these skills come naturally to them, but others will learn and adopt these skills in order to be the best. Have you ever found a new hobby that you were somewhat interested in, but it was really difficult? So you got so far and were able to perform this at a certain level, until you gave up because things weren't progressing as quickly as you had hoped. This will be the case for pretty much everyone. But the important part is finding a passion you want to pursue so badly that you are willing to be resilient and patient. Resiliency is the key to success. 4. Initiative. Taking the initiative is always something that successful people do. Nobody is going to do it for you. If you have this idea, this vision or dream inside your head, then nothing can happen unless you decide to take the initiative and begin working towards it. When something hasn't been done before, people with initiative are the first to do it. Others may sit back and say that it can't be done. Otherwise, somebody else would have tried it. But it's people with initiative that are the first to do what everyone else was thinking of doing. Don't think about it for the rest of your life. Take the initiative and do it. 5. Leadership. Who's in higher demand? The people that are leading others or those that are being led. Leaders are leaders, and obviously you're going to be more successful at what you do if you develop your leadership skills. Not only that, but if you expect to go the distance on your own with your dreams, in business or what have you, then you'll need to be your own leader. You have to be the one who's making the decisions, coming up with the ideas and taking the action. 6. Financial decision making. For a lot of people, their monthly income is there to be spent. Bills, necessities, and luxuries. It's not always invested. And I'm not talking about putting into any type of bank account, shares, stocks, and so on. I'm talking about people investing some of that money in themselves. How many of you have dreams and goals that you're working towards, but because of all the luxuries you want, no funds ever get put towards those dreams? Either that or the fear of losing that money forever has beaten you. At the end of the day, sure, you may possibly lose some money, but considering these are your dreams we're talking about, is it not worth the risk? If you're going to become successful, you need to be able to split your income between your bills and your dreams, between spending and investing. Otherwise, that money's gone forever anyway. So you might as well invest it in yourself. This is one of the most powerful skills you need to become successful. 7. Mentally driven. It's no secret that successful people are mentally driven by their goals and working towards them. They have this feeling that if they're not moving forward, they feel like they're going to explode. That's the exact attitude you need to have if you're going to endure all the pain and struggling that hits you on the journey to success. How far you're willing to go before you decide that you can't take it anymore and give up. All relies on how strong you are mentally to tell yourself to keep moving forward and push through the pain to make it to the other side. What drives you? 8. Observation. Observation is often overlooked by the more common skills successful people have. But good observation is absolutely crucial in order to become successful. If you walk into the room and you instantly see everything that's going on around you in crystal clear detail, you're able to understand the environment and situation that you're in and be able to react and adapt to it much more quickly. Although, I'm not just talking about walking into rooms. What about in a business environment where you're looking at different markets or economies and you're able to notice small details within these a lot more quickly? It provides you with a lot more opportunities because you're able to see things before other people do. Learn to be observant. 9. Imaginative. In a world where the majority of people are just showing up to life, where they tell themselves that so many things just aren't physically possible, then imagination takes place as an important skill to possess. It's important because when you have friends, family, and even acquaintances telling you that things are not possible, and you should just get a regular job, regular house, and have a family, then you need to have a great imagination to be able to block these voices out and still believe that your dream is possible. Not only that, but in business in particular, every new invention that you see in the world, some that you can't live without, were created by someone who was incredibly imaginative. It's definitely one of the many skills you need to become successful. 10. Focus. Focus is probably one of the hardest skills to learn and discipline yourself to. It's incredibly difficult to have 100% focus on bettering yourself at your chosen craft, mainly because no matter what you do, there will always be small periods of boredom whilst working to master the craft. Things will be incredibly repetitive and boredom can often strike, especially when you're in a period of no results. It's crucial that you have 100% focus, and that won't happen right away. It may take a while for you to learn how to become completely focused on your goals. More importantly, if you don't love what you're doing, then achieving complete focus will be ridiculously difficult and probably a waste of your time. 11. Communication. Communication is crucial and fits in well with the skill of negotiation I mentioned earlier. It's particularly important within business that your communication with others is of a great standard. The majority of mistakes made within companies that have high numbers of employees are caused by lack of communication. I'm not too sure where you work, but for those of you who work for relatively big companies, have you ever felt like each department is fighting against each other, passing the blame game and only making sure they cover their own backs, rather than just communicating with each other properly and efficiently? That's exactly how mistakes are made, because instead of communicating right there and then, there's this battle between whose fault something is, or why it hasn't been done. Ending notes. Success requires a whole load of habits, qualities, and skills, but at the end of the day it all helps you pull yourself together to become somebody destined for progression in life. These are just some of the important skills you need to become successful.